What is nonlinear system of equation? This video shows an example of nonlinear system of equation, and it is presented by the chosen students of SV03.
Here's the thing, science is everywhere and so does mathematics. As you look around the environment, measurements can also be applied. For example, in this log we can simply apply nonlinear system of equation.
So let us begin the discussion.
A laptop screen has a size of 13 inches with aspect ratio of 5:4.
Let us find the length and width of the screen. So to find the length and the width of the screen, we will use the equation length over width equals 5/4.
The next step is cross multiplication. So it will be 4 times the length equals 5 times the width. We divide both sides by 4 and the answer will be the length is equal to 5/4 times the width.
We'll first look for the width because we cannot find the length without finding the width first.
So, the quantity 5/4 times the width squared plus the width squared is equal to 13 squared.
The next step is to perform the operation indicated. The quantity 5/4h squared will be 25/16h squared plus h squared equals 169 because 13 squared is 169.
So the 25/16h squared plus h squared will be 41/16h squared equals 169. Are you wondering why it became 41/16h squared? Well, because 25/16h squared plus h squared is the same as 25/16 plus 1. And that's where we got 41/16. So let's continue.
Now that we have the width, we can now find the length. So the length is equal to 5/4 times the width, which is 8.121,035,618.
So the length is 10.15129 or simply 10.15 inches.
So if you ever buy a laptop that has 13-inch screen with aspect ratio 5:4, then its length would be 10.15 inches and the width is 8.12 inches.
Nonlinear function can be applied in real-life situations to the production of laptops. It is used for measuring the screens of a laptop and through nonlinear equations.
The creators can determine the dimensions that they want to apply on a laptop or other screens as well.